Okay, discriminant validity. This is we ask about, or we know about divergent validity proof that test. If discriminant is we test validity is proved by test is unrelated, okay? Unrelated together. Presumably TOEFL and IELTS not come along together. It's divergent, not convergent, different to construct. They are different, may be confused to be the same. Example, the test designed to measure depression should not correlate to high with anxiety. Anxiety and depression are too similar, but totally is different. Discriminant validity show if score average on average show low correlation between two construct, anxiety and depression, the test say is have discriminant validity. It can possible. Some people got what we call TOEFL is very high score, but when test about IELTS is low score. I don't know. He may be not pay attention. I don't know individual overall or not. But the standard is need to be correlation go together. But it can happen about this. Okay. In other words, valid test depression discriminate between two similar but totally different construct, anxiety and depression. To show the convergent validity, we would expect our two measure of depression and correlation each other. This is some kind you gonna know if some two measure anxiety go together, some tool presumably assessment tool A and assessment tool B we use together. Measure anxiety it might be convergent, but measure depression is divergent or discriminant. It can happen. This is why we need to close the gap by sensitivity or responsiveness with about the last topic today. Okay, it depends on the tune as well. Depend on the about this as well. It's show convergent validity. We would expect two measure of depression to correlate high each other, same trait but different method. Sometimes they can use the same but different method. To show discriminant validity, we would expect true false measurement. It may be true false. Could you remember that I got true false or about the something, because it might be false error with individual or with person. The false with something, right? It means that it might be method. False measurement about the depression not correlate significant to false measurement or measure of anxiety. Different tests but same method. Sometimes it's work together, but we can check. If you go inside about the test, you might see about the score and why it's a little bit error. We may be because the population is we try to already, but group of people likely trained to be like this because they know each other. That is discussion. Okay? Discriminant evidence, target evidence. Okay, that is the answer, and different attribute. Okay, this maybe go to different discriminant evidence. Okay, this is cluster analysis. We mean you need to find about the group inside, look like about the construct framework inside. We need to find out about the validity inside. We can use, if you use just only about the population around maybe 101 to 140, I might be wrong, to 140, you use cluster analysis. If you got 140 above, you got factor analysis. Okay, I'm gonna check to you again. But it's depend on the book as well. Fine. If you try to find out about the analysis of validity inside, in same why we group inside about this is construct validity about every item. If you test to assess with people around 200, you need to use factor analysis. If you use just only 120, you use cluster analysis. 140 up, you use factor analysis. Just only 135, you use cluster analysis. It's different kind. Okay. The next is content validity. Content like we gonna use with questionnaire and anything. We need to find about in terms of the assessment tool that we draw from or we buy from abroad. Content and Thai content, we think about this. They change already. This is why definition content is extend to which test sample behavior represent the universe of behavior. The test was designed to measure content validity is exam whether the test includes entire domain of syllabus is looked like program. For test is design. Content is might be that the first is construct โครงสร้างต้องมี content is inside about some relevant something. It look like communication. Construct is what we call the first, as I remember, stunt. Okay, listen or use hearing, speaking, use voice, right? And reading and speaking. This is we call construct. Construct is frame, theoretical framework. ต้องมี okay. But content inside, content is maybe the pattern to test about reading, okay? If reading English, you need to read English. If reading Japanese, content is maybe need to be Japanese, okay? Presumably, if I try to make a content validity between Thailand letter, I'm gonna use this to give to students. The first is wrong already. We cannot use because it's very ancient letter, but I try to test make about content validity with the Thai word. Maybe use about this to sing together. It might be some word no. We use contents because this is the pattern of reading, right? The letter. Sometimes it depends why we need to find out about content validity. To test is to examine whether the test includes entire domain of syllabus inside. Which test is designed, okay? Is particular applicable to achieve and personal test. In this, we check if items include academic tests. Do they represent the full syllabus? Require master course relevant? If so, do they do it with the right proportion? Coverage or not? Is coverage or not? If we try to find out the content, is covered or not? It can make sure that or not. Presumably, content speaking just only a few, but content about listening along, it can test is valid or not. Need to be proportion is or not. Presumably, if you go to test some test is design content really everything is what we call the percentage inside is maybe 100%, but why this is small test? If inside is very important, the content inside is might be much more, okay? The proportion, right proportion. For example, if 5 chapters of a subject or cross 5 chapters were covered within the class, presumably our class learn just only 5 topics in this course were covered. If test covered them all which equal coverage to all chapters, then test say content valid. But in the real no, now we got around maybe 10 or 12 topic, right? It's gonna be covered with about evaluation. If you're gonna learn now you learn about qualitative method. If you learn just only phenomenology and grounded theory, just only 2 chapters, and we think that this course is covered. You make sense about content validity, Gabriel. You think if you learn just pheno and grounded theory, content is not valid, right? Are you hear me? Understand? Make sense, Gabriel? นภัสสร Sorasak. Hello. Is okay?
Yes.
If we in cross, you think I spend money already, but I learned just only 2 chapter, phenomenology and grounded theory. It's not appropriate. Where is content? Another content, life, what we call, we need to learn about not just, we need ethnography. Where is ethnography? We didn't learn about PAR. We didn't learn. We need to learn case study as well. This is why content need to meet with about some syllabus is cooperated with the class or not. If it's not cooperated, it means that not valid, content valid. Okay. General arithmetic or mathematics reasoning tests can only be content valid if cover full domain of arithmetic such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, etc. Items on achievement and personal tests are included with consensus among subjects, specialists, teacher and employers respectively. Why? Before we're gonna find out what about program, what about the test, we need to think about this as well. If we try to test this, content is completely covered or not, lack of something or not, okay? Presumably this is why if you need to test about content validity ratio, CVR, that is the brief name or the short name. NE is mean the number of experts who agree. It's look like use about that. And N is number of experts /2 use content validity ratio. And questionnaire content validity use number. This is another not reliability. It's just only format of content. Take the expert look at the content. Okay? Questionnaire about this content validity is the number of questions. Number of questions agree and maybe 3 and 4. Number of the question. This is we call content validity index. We use about this, or we use the index of congruent or IOC. We use index of congruent IOC. Index of IOC is look like we use the some people got the score, okay, got the score, and we can summarize from the expert score, number of the IOC as well, okay. This is depend on about the validity of the congruent. Criterion related validity, okay. Criterion related validity is mean gain. It shows the extent to which test score correlate with the confirmed tool. If it's concrete in the real world, in the social world, observable behavior or threat, we can judge or judgment regarding how adequate test score can be used infer individual most possible or possibility of probable standing on some measure of interest. Criteria standard again with test or a test score is evaluation. First, criterion or criteria gain should be reliable. Criterion should be valid. Criterion should be relevant, and criterion should be uncontaminated. Uncontaminated is mean ไม่มีสิ่งที่ interfere criterion